Chantal says she comes from France. Josh is a star at soccer and Anna likes to dance. Jose rides on horses, Jimmy likes to jump and run. Jenny plays piano and Katie skips for fun. So many people to know. All my friends are different, but I love them all the same. My friends are different, and I love them all the same. Julie counts in Spanish. Michael knows how to jump rope.
Yeah, Ethan makes spaghetti. Hannah tells a funny joke. Sophia's happy painter. William likes to play board games.
Would you look at that?
Emma knows everybody's name.
So many people to know. All my friends
Check it out.
are different,
Another
and I love them all the same. My
another one of the starter Pokemon's evolved forms.
friends, and I love them all the same. My friends
Tonight we're gonna draw Meowscarada from Scarlet and Violet.
My friends are different, and I love them all the same.
This Pokemon is Frigato's final evolved form. She looks a lot like Braixen from Pokemon XY. Well, I'm not sure if it is.
All my friends are different, but I love them all the same. My friends are different, and I love them all the same.
There we are. Alexa, play Spaceballs by Majestica.
Spaceballs.
If you're living in a bubble and you haven't got a care, well, you're gonna be in trouble, 'cause we're gonna steal your air. 'Cause what you got is what we need, and all we do is study deep. Watch out with the space ball, with the master of space. Don't mess around with the space.
Here are the fingernails here. I'm surprised they finally showed off all of the evolved forms for all the Pokemon. I'm finally proud that they released the game. That'll give me some time to draw all the new characters that have been revealed on the series. There he is, everyone. Meowscarada from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. Get ready, everyone. There's more like this coming your way.